Hi, it's Mike with Hiniker Company. In today's video, we're going to answer a question sent in by an end user. And on that note, if you have a question that you'd like to see a video made on, please enter it in the comments below. So today's question is, why is my plow slower than it used to be? One thing that can affect your plow's speed is temperature. In extremely cold temperatures below zero, the first time you use your plow during that day, your plow oil is going to be pretty thick, so it's going to operate your plow a little bit slower. As your plow oil warms up, your plow should return to normal speed. Using a snowplow specific hydraulic oil will make a big difference. Our Hiniker Cold Flow has a drying agent built right into it, which would help prevent frost buildup and freezing on your pickup filter and on your individual valve screens. The truck's charging and battery system play the biggest role in a plow's operation and speed. A battery that's either undersized or in poor condition won't hold the capacity to operate your plow. The truck's alternator also plays a huge role in the system, so if you have an undersized alternator or a poorly charging alternator, it won't keep your battery fully charged and have that reserve capacity. Belt tension on your alternator is also critical. Battery cable is a dirty cable or one with a poor connection or an undersized cable will all affect your plow's performance and speed. If you're replacing a power cable, make sure you're using a genuine Hiniker part. So another reason for maybe a slower moving plow would be something to deal with the hydraulic power unit. First thing would be to check your fluid level. Here we're sitting about 3/4 full, and that's plenty good. If you're low on oil, that will cause your plow to operate slower. The other thing that could do this, if your oil is very dirty, it could be restricting your pickup filter and the screens on the individual valves, which would also make your plow operate slower. A hydraulic pump in your power unit, if that is worn, it will not build the pressure it used to, and that's maybe what you're seeing for a slower speed. To get the most life out of your power unit, change your oil every year will help maintain the life of that power unit. Another thing that can affect your plow speed is the electric motor. A brand new power unit will pull about 125 amps. As your plow ages and you use it, over the years it could pull up to 300 amps, which pulls a lot of the reserve capacity out of your battery. If you're replacing your electric motor, there are aftermarket motors out there that'll fit it, but a genuine Hiniker electric motor will outperform those. Another possible cause for your plow to operate slowly would be either a hydraulic cylinder issue or a hose issue. So let's take a look at both possibilities here. If you have a crushed or a pinched hose or an obstruction in your hose, that will also cause your plow to go slower. So each season, make sure you're taking a look at your hoses there and replace them if you need to. A hydraulic cylinder can also affect the speed of your plow. A over-tightened packing nut or a super dry packing will increase the drag on that hydraulic rod and affect your plow speed. This is a two-way cylinder on a V-plow, your angle cylinder here. If you've got an internal leak, that could also affect the operation of your plow. Thanks for watching, and if you have a video idea or a question you'd like to submit, please enter it in the comments below. And thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.